Hey guys, welcome to That's Wild. I'm standing in front of my new sawmill. I got a MechMaxx SM32. I put a couple logs through it and it seems to be doing pretty good. I'm kind of, pretty happy with it. Now I have plans to build a sawmill shed as it seems like everyone else does. So I have a spot out back that I've been clearing out and I'd like to bring you along for the ride. So let's go. Alright guys, so I've been doing quite a bit of cleanup around here, just pulling out and cutting some of those tiny trees that are just in the way. So I think I'm ready. I'm going to start cutting down some of the bigger trees. Hopefully I can get a little bit of lumber out of some of them. A lot aren't that straight, but hey, something, right? So I'll start heading in and cutting some of these down. Well, I got it down, limbed it up a bit. Didn't really fall the way I wanted it to, but nothing was harmed. I kind of had two ideas of where it could have gone, but it'll work. End of it's not too bad. It's pretty straight, I may get a couple 2x4s or something out of it. We'll see. But yeah, I'll get this dragged out of here and start cleaning up the mess. Yeah, so pulled it out, got it cut up into a couple chunks. I think I'll put them on the sawmill. It'll work pretty good, I think. All right, got that tree done and drug out of here. It's gonna start on these other two maybe, or just one for now, but getting there. Just got to keep at it. went better. You know, it fell where I wanted it to go actually. So it's a pretty nice looking tree, nice and straight for most part anyway. So I'll go ahead and get it bucked up and drug out of here. Then we'll move on to the next ones. Dang it, out of gas. Well, I've been putting a lot more work in. I got a lot more trees cut down, and I got them all stacked up in a big old pile here. It's been a lot of work, but got it done. Have a bunch of stumps to get rid of now, but I think I got it cleared out enough that I can lay out some building plans and hopefully get to work on the shed. So, thank you all for watching. Stick around. I'll, try to post more. Hopefully I can fix my, hopefully I can get a better recording setup. But anyway, see y'all.